Welcome back, folks. I am John Najarian, and welcome to another week of unusual option activity. It is the 21st of June, 2022, sorry. I doubt if any of you were confused what year it was, but it is the 21st, and we're closing in on the halfway point for the year, coming right up. But today we're going to be talking about unusual option activity. And this, as defined by us, is large buys of calls or puts that indicate that somebody wanted in a hurry. And we usually coattail those people. We run a bunch of scans against it to see which ones of all the hundreds and thousands, literally, of prints per minute that are going on. And we run scans looking for those large block trades. We don't care about onesie, twosie. We care about the big blocks. So without further ado, let's get started. Friday, I was trying to get stuff up, but it was just horrible reception down there in San Antonio. Go figure. It's the home of, it was the home of Ameritech, which I guess is AT&T now. And maybe that's why my Verizon hotspot wasn't working so well. But anyway, Robert Irvine, I was down there for his golf tournament, Military Heroes Charity Golf. They raised over $300,000. We were proud to be part of that. 50 disabled vets played, and 70 service members, men and women, played, some of whom were disabled but are still in the military, so technically not veterans, as they told me. No, I'm not a vet yet. I am a service person. Anyway, a fabulous group of people. Happy to be down there helping raise money for that with Robert Irvine. And that is one of those servicemen teeing off. And I've never been around so many wonderful, optimistic people, despite having pretty significant losses of limbs, of eyes, and the like. So wonderful people, fabulous camaraderie, and truly enjoyed it. I'd also think that you would truly enjoy coming back down to Texas with us. Why? Because September 21st through 24th, we probably will have Robert Irvine again. We have a number of other high-profile folks that will be joining us. I can't say just yet, but I think these tickets will be gone when these names get out there. Once we can confirm some of these high-profile individuals, some professional sports teams owner, another that is one of the biggest folks on TV as far as emerging markets and so forth. Just incredible if we are able to get these guys, men and women, secured for the event. We have a fabulous lineup already, and we've got two more that we're hoping to close this week. September 21st through 24th, Dallas, Texas, Four Seasons Hotel. Check it out. It'll be wonderful. And you can go to marketrebellion.com/Dallas for more. All right, first trade today is JETS, JETS, JETS. This is the ETF for airlines. And after a pretty harsh sell-off of airlines, those of you who have followed our trades in America know that we just nailed that. Well, now they're betting that broadly the sector makes a bounce back by September. How do we know? They bought nearly 18,000 calls, nearly 1.8 million share equivalent of shares. So figure almost 2 million shares at, call it 16, $32 million investment. You interested? I am. That's why we joined here. Every option's for 100 shares of stock. Never mean to confuse you with how we look at things, but that's why I say 17.9 thousand contracts is almost 1.8 million share equivalent of those September 18 calls, with the stock or the ETF just below 18. Bang. Market Rebellion, we can teach you about how to invest in that trade with less risk. We can show you how, as I told Josh Brown, he said he doesn't sleep very well because he has to sleep with one eye open looking at the the stocks that he bought. That's why I don't buy many stocks. I buy option spreads because I can define my risk on entry. You can too. Check out marketrebellion.com/get started for that. That's marketrebellion.com/get started. Second trade today, CVE. This is Synovus Energy. It was a $12 stock, I think, at the beginning of this year. Traded through 20 today, hovering around that level now. CVE is the symbol. 10,000, July, 21 calls. So 10,000 is a million because 10,000 times 100, a million share equivalent of this stock being purchased at the 21 strike 4 weeks out into the future for July expiration. Bang, did that one. Finally, HYG. This one has been bleeding off all year, literally accelerating since March, but bleeding off. It's the high yield bond. So HY, high yield bond ETF, 74.5 bucks. They're buying the 68 puts. So those puts are approximately $7 out of the money, underneath where the stock is trading. Do we get there by September? I don't know. What do you think? Somebody put 100,000 put bet down on this one. 100,000, that's 10 million share equivalent that they want to be short at that strike. Those are the kind of people I like to follow. Now, does that mean you just sit there and just hang on that one forever? No, you always want to maintain your discipline. So if that means that this doesn't work and you've lost whatever your acceptable percentage loss is, then you cut it. That's what I do. Mine is approximately 25 to 50%. So if I pay $1.50 for a spread and that spread falls to 80 cents, you can pretty much bet that I'm out. You have to decide how to spend your money. I can't do it for you. But I know I can show you how to trade with less risk by using options. And that's why we love options. If you'd like to join us this week, tomorrow, Wednesday, how we trade unusual options in volatile markets. That is tomorrow, Wednesday, June 22nd, 4 p.m., right at the market close. If you can't join us, but you've registered, we will send you an email of the link to watch this, even if you can't join us live. So I would encourage you to do that. Please, just one sec, be right with you. That's what you need to pay attention to, folks. Wednesday, June 22nd, 4 p.m. Eastern time. Check it out and have a great day today. I'll see you tomorrow.